So I got this Spectre Pro LED from Phanteks. This is a 3-pin fan with red LEDs. We got red LEDs on our 80mm here. This Phanteks pulse width modulation hub, which converts your 3-pin fans into 4-pin control. You've got some screws or Velcro mounting option, harness pieces, because you got SATA power. This is what powers the controller. Plug it in right there. One of your SATAs. And then this one is our 4-pin signal, so you connect this to one of your 4 pins. That goes into here. And that provides your signal for if it needs to speed up the fans. And you have your power supply from the SATA, which allows the distribution of power. Right, 3 fans are in. So now we have our fan controller wired. So all 3 of these fans, they'll speed up or slow down depending on how hot the computer gets. So that goes to our CPU fan, PWM, all in a day's work. Power supply bracket. This one supports full size power supplies, but I had this 300 watt lying around and I did a wattage calculation on this build and it only needs 300 watts. I like to size my power supplies accordingly. Obviously, if you're going to upgrade down the line, you might need a bigger power supply. This little bad boy is a 300 watt. And I am mounting the intake fan so we can actually pull air from the case and exhaust it out the back. Right here, see how this one doesn't have the wires sticking up? I'll need a Molex to SATA converter. We have our 4-pin Molex to SATA converter piece. You want to make sure none of your wires are touching your fans.